Hey everybody, Jeff Teague here with Toyota Jeff Reviews. Let's take a closer look at RAV4 Hybrid. Not good enough, Jeff. Let's get more specific. This is the RAV4 Hybrid LE 2024 in ice cap. In the RAV4 Hybrid trim line, this is the base, the entry level. I'm going to show you inside, outside, show you what makes it so special, but I'm also going to tell you how much it costs, because part of our analysis has to be, is the juice worth the squeeze? In other words, I'm climbing a hill here. Is the cost worth the value? And of course, we're gonna get a full view inside. We gotta know about the features, the technology, the buttons, dials, controls, all that stuff that make the RAV4 Hybrid and RAV4 Hybrid LE so unique, so special. I imagine you'd wanna know the gas mileage, the power, and then of course the technology, the multimedia. That's always important because we spend a lot of time in our cars, so it's got to be convenient, it's got to be handy, it's got to be able to do things for you. And I'm sure a lot of people don't know this random fact, but Sting and the Police, when they were writing their famous song, da-do-do-do, da-da-da-da, they were talking about 2024 RAV4 Hybrid. And the reason why is because there's a lot of things this car needs to do for you. Da-da-da-da used to say the RAV4, but they changed that to kind of go a little bit better. Little known fact, you'll be riding along with 219 net hybrid horsepower. We've got electric motors front and back, and then a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. So 219 horsepower, plenty of speed to get up hills, merge onto the highways, pull out into traffic, stuff like that. Continuously variable transmission and electronically controlled on-demand all-wheel drive. You'll find disc brakes in the rear, disc brakes in the front, multi-link rear suspension, smooth sailing on highways, tightens up around curves. 14.5 gallon fuel tank on the driver's side, and the gas mileage is going to be, yeah, we're going up higher, 41 in the city, 38 in the highway, 39 combined. And then look here at these LED projector headlights. They're sinister, they're ominous, they stare you down. They would win in a stare fight. LED daytime running lights. Do you like the matte black on the grille, the sides, down below? Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, 17-inch gray alloy wheels. Whoa! Look at that. Now, how does it look on the profile? We've got around the fenders, matte black, kind of thin. Matte black side mirrors, no turn signal indicator, so don't expect to see that there, because you're not going to get it. How do you like the lines? They're very, very subtle on this car. Very subtle. More, I guess, a combination of rugged and sophisticated. I don't know. It really depends on how you look at it. Which type of person you are. You might see it that way. It's like one of those Rorschach paintings where you're like, what is that? Oh yeah, I see a cloud, I see a dragon. They're like, oh, you're coming with us. Cut out around the pillar here, no moonroof. This is interesting here. We've got matte black all around, but this matches this accent. So that's in gloss. Now this is not the one that's gonna have the auto, grab the handle, it opens. Touch the handle, it closes. No, it has an actual key that you put in the key slot. You can open it from the remote, but it's not auto. Probably gonna be blurry, but, oh, there's the key. So, but you can also lock it, unlock it like that. Ooh, look in the back here. We've got LED chunky taillights that wrap around in chunky fashion. Chunky, chunky, chunky. There's the wiper, not hidden, but there it is. Yes, it's got some dirt on it. It's fine. Backup camera, badging in blue, badging in chrome, badging in black. Oh, and then 2 exhaust ports. That's on all RAVs. This is not a power back hatch, so don't expect it. But you can grab it on either side. That's kind of nice. Got our grab handles. Holla! I say holla! Yes, look at that storage bin there. Tie down. Light. I think this has the LED interior light upgrade, so I think that's probably a yellow light traditionally. This has an all-weather matte upgrade. You might want to choose to get that. This one does have a spare tire. It's right under here. There you go. Nice. You can even take this little tray and put it underneath in the grooves to give yourself a little bit more storage room. And with the seats down, they fold almost flat, not quite flat, but look at all that storage room. Today I've got muddy feet. Would you want your puppy that just ran out in the mud to come sit on your furniture? I'm not gonna do that in this particular one, so I'm gonna work around it. I just don't wanna get a new car muddy, even though it has those handy all-weather mats. So what do we see here? We've got child latches right there. Then this is gonna come down. Good surface area. This is soft. I think that would feel very comfortable. Lay your hand on me. Lay your arm on me. That's what the armrest is saying right now. All right, so look, we've got 12-volt circular rear air, and here's the view from the back. RAV4 is pretty spacious on the inside, actually. It's got good room. Does not have the LE hybrid. Does not have the mechanical seat, so it's not power. Good, soft feel. Very comfortable. Good side bolstering, so it won't wrap around you like a sport car, but it will give you some support, so that's nice. Like a support animal. And look here, we've got a storage shelf. That's nice. Put your wallet, phone, keys right there. Good size glove box, fits a lot of junk. And time for our tour in the driver's side here. Lots of silver that breaks up the black interior. Again, very comfortable, very supportive right here. Got us a little pump. Raise it up, pump up the jam a little more. Get your body going on the dance floor. Dun, 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 dun. All right, here we go. A little techno music for when we're looking at this 7-inch information display. Remember this one, if it wasn't sitting on a car lot burning fuel right now, it'd be averaging 39, 41 in the city, 38 in the highway. So we got that going for us. Look at the all-wheel drive meter. And our safety features, nice. I like the road sign assist, the lane keep assist, the adaptive cruise control. Nice chunky dials here to kind of work around things. That didn't make sense, but that's what we're doing here. Eco mode, sport mode. So let's look at that right here. Get that focused, and then I want to show you, it's going to just change color. That's all it's going to do. No schematics or anything. There. That's normal. So we go here, and then Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless. I hear the secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep. I hear. Different version of it. Yeah. The one I sang. So we can just scroll. Auto dimming rear view mirror? No. But we do have a manual one. We've got sunglass holder, the SOS button for Safety Connect, lights, and then that right there, lighted mirror with slider function. So how do you like this interior? Are you a fan of RAV4 Hybrid in general? How about a window sticker? Gotta learn more, right? Hybrid LE, all-wheel drive, made in Georgetown, Kentucky, the world-famous plant. I've been there. It's terrific. It's amazing. All right, take a look at this right here. Standard features that you'll get from the factory. Just take a look at those on your own. Starts at $31,725. Got to get delivery. That'll be in the next column. This one has a couple options on it, like 3 options it looks like, from the regional assembly port. So you might want those, you might not want them. All depends on the car that you are selecting. They're individually accessorized. This one's available at Fred Anderson Toyota. Go to fredandersontoyota.com, Raleigh, North Carolina, 34302. Thanks for watching, everybody. What do you think about RAV4, RAV4 Hybrid, maybe RAV4 plug-in hybrid, the Prime? How do you like the LE Hybrid? Is it worth that price there? A little bit over $30,000. Could this be a good value for you, especially when we're teetering right at 40 miles a gallon? That's pretty strong. I think it's an excellent value, and I wonder if you'll want this one, or do you want to go up to the XLE maybe? Maybe XLE Premium, the Limited, that kind of stuff. Up to you. You could get the XSE, the SE, just tell me which one. I did a video here, I'll show it to you at the end, where I compare all the trim levels of the 2024 RAV4 Hybrid, and that's big. Thanks guys so much. I'm at Toyota Jeff Reviews and Auto Jeff Reviews. I have 2 channels. Toyota Jeff Reviews is Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, and Auto Jeff Reviews looks at the whole automotive industry, all brands, fun stuff like that. We just reviewed Lexus GX 550. We're gonna be doing the Genesis G80. We've done the Hyundai Santa Fe and the Hyundai Palisade. Kia's coming up next. Got a lot of stuff in the works on that channel. Thanks everybody for being here. Follow me wherever you follow social media. And peace to the world. See you next time. And here are the suggested videos, the RAV4 playlist and my RAV4 Hybrid trim level comparison. It's pretty strong stuff. So if you're interested, check it out. Thanks for being here.